Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial on how to set up your GPU like crypto mining or CPU crypto mining, whichever you want to use you prefer to use. Now this is to mine any coin. So basically this website, I'll leave it in the link in the description, or if you just want to see the name and go to it here, it's going to take you exactly to like this point of the website. Now here you just click a coin that you want to mine. So for my example, I'm be mining Dogecoin. And before we get further along, this does not support ASIC miners, I believe is what they're called. They do not support them yet. I don't know if they're ever going to support them. So don't ask me this question because I do not know much about this website. I've barely been on here for about 3 weeks. I've been testing them out, making sure they pay me out and everything, make sure they were legit, so I could show you guys this site and you guys could, try it out. So anyways, you click a coin, you select the miner that they have there that they prefer for you to use. Then you use your then they have a selected mining algorithm. So I use ETHASH for GPU. For CPU, I recommend RandomX. I haven't tried Cowpow. I want to say I don't know. I really don't know. I haven't tried that actually. I think that's a GPU miner. I'm not 100% sure. I can't see. Is that a GPU miner? I think that is a GPU miner. Yeah, okay, that's a GPU miner, yeah. Okay. You can barely see the G, that's why. I was just, just to, just to make sure. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, it's a GPU miner, okay. So, yeah, RandomX is a CPU miner. I use their mining app and I tried it out, and mine was able to only do 1,000. So that's basically like 5 Dogecoin a day, or a month. Sorry, not a day. But yeah, so you could use that for CPU. But if you're gonna use GPU, I use lolMiner. And it's gonna take you to this site here. Then you're just gonna click on that. It's gonna take you here. First thing you'll see probably, if they haven't been updating like a lot lately, but they have been updating a lot. But if it's different than what you see here, this is their Linux version that they have latestly, and you could just click there and download it for Linux. Now I do not know how to set it up for Linux, so I cannot really help you guys on that. But if you want to know how to install it for Linux, I'm pretty sure they have like a little guide on how to set it up here for you, for Linux and stuff. Let me see here. They might have it here, I want to say. They'll have it somewhere. I will find it and I'll leave it in the description for you guys if you guys are using Linux. However, though, if you're using Windows, so let's continue with Windows. If you're using Windows, this will be closed down here. You just click on Assets, download that, download it, extract into a folder that you guys will go to every day for mining. Come here, set up a .bat for whatever you need. So like if you're gonna mine Dogecoin, boom, set up for Dogecoin. So I'm gonna delete this one because this one was a little tutorial I was doing for a different video. But so you go on there. I will leave this exactly in the okay. Why is this open like that? No, don't save. Alright, so this was for a lolMiner configuration thing that they had. I was just trying it out and messing with it. So now if I go here, there you go. Alright, so here you're gonna put in your address. I'll have it saying your address in the description. Of course, I won't have my address because I don't want you guys mining to me. I mean, if you want to, cool, but I mean, if you don't want to, I mean, this is a tutorial for you guys to mine, not for helping me, basically. So anyways, I'll leave it there saying your address. Then you put in your worker name. So like mine here is 420 Doge Worker. I just did that for fun. So you can name it whatever. You can name it Mining Rig 1 in case you have multiple mining rigs. So you can have it like Mining Rig 1, and then the other one could be Mining Rig 2. This is a referral link. This is my cousin's referral link actually. And I do recommend using referral links because it does help your mining pool go down. So instead of a mining fee, and it says here, so instead of a mining fee of 1%, it will lower it down to a mining fee of 0.75. And then, so if you don't believe me, I'll go here. This is my address. So here you go. See, there's my fee of 0.75. So like if you guys start mining, it'll be a 1%. But if you use a referral link, it'll be 0.75. Now this is my referral link here for Dogecoin. So if you want to support me for like Dogecoin, there you go. You just copy this. I'll leave it down in the description as well, and you just put it here. You just put it right behind that little number symbol or the hashtag symbol for those people that call it a hashtag symbol. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you just run it. So for example here, we'll just run it. And there you go. You're mining Dogecoin or whatever coin you have set up for. They do pay you out. You can see here, I did this. I ran it for a little bit, so I can show you guys that it was going. So this was at 10:05. So this was like about 2 minutes ago. You can see like the current calculated rate and then the current rate and stuff like that. So you could scroll back, however. So if there you go. You could see when I was mining when I was asleep or barely waking up. This was 7 in the morning, so I was barely waking up. You can see here, and then it tells you your workers, how much they're working at their hash rate, and then the referral code that they're using. So you can see here, mine's been at 25, about almost 26. And then this is when I stopped and when I started playing video games and started doing like things I had to do in the morning on my computer. Once you reach a certain amount that they require, so for like Dogecoin right now, they're requiring that you make at least 30. And then this will become available. You click payout, and you can see here I have a couple of payouts already happened to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys will be set and just to start mining. I just wanted to make a legit video. I didn't want to make one where like, oh hey, I didn't want to make one like I've seen a couple. They'll be like, hey, this is how you mine Dogecoin. They'll send you to a different miner, and it doesn't even work. You don't know how to set it up. You're confused. You're like, what the fuck is going on here? So yeah, I just wanted to make a legit video, make sure that it was working for you. Now I am gonna answer a couple questions here at the end of the video, or not answer a couple questions, but answer a few questions that I feel like you guys might ask. So people that don't want to know about anything else, you guys are free to leave the video. But for the people that are a little bit curious about things, I'm gonna stay here and talk to you guys a little bit about a few things. All right, so first thing, if you guys are wondering why your download is not working, make sure you have your antiviruses or any like window protection antivirus off. Make sure you have them off, because your computer is going to pick it up saying that it is a antivirus, and I can in fact tell you it is not a antivirus. I have a couple programs that check for like antivirus, and they check the executable of the file and everything, making sure like they're not running anything suspicious. They're not legit just all mining, so you guys are fine. Now just turn it off and you'll be fine. And make sure you could turn on Windows protection back on, I want to say, once you already downloaded it and you start running it. It won't pick it up. Just make sure you don't have any other different ones, so like MineETH.BAT or any other running, because then it'll pick it up and it'll try and delete it. I noticed that when I tried running MineETH.BAT for mine, because I was just making sure that, like, hey, can I still have MineETH.BAT running while I'm mining? And no, MineETH.BAT is like, oh hell no, I'm gonna delete this stuff that you're just running. Let's see here. What else might be another question you guys might ask? Can you multi-mine? That might be another question. Yes, you can actually. You can split mine. So you can mine Ethereum and like, let's just say Bitcoin or like a different type of thing. I will leave this in the description. I haven't tried it, but I know you can do it, in fact, because they have a little thing here. So they have a little split mine you can see here. These are just, I guess, wallets that they have for them. So you just put in your pool. So they have like a pre-made pool here. They'll have their address. This is their global server. You can, I think, click it, or you can manually set. Here you go. So like if you're in Canada, Europe, or Asia, you can set here, and then they'll tell you like alternative port, but this is pretty much their pool address. Then for like ETHASH, of course, it'll change for for that and stuff. I can't pronounce it basically, but yeah. And that's also here also your recommended VRAM that you need. So like this one's 6 gigs. This one is 3 gigs. So you have a 3 gig VRAM graphics card. That'll be perfect for you. If you have a 6 gig or higher like mine, then this will be perfect for you. All right. Let's see. I think that much might be pretty much it for any questions on that. However, though, if you do have any other questions, like how to, let me see here, on how to, let's just say, like, if you guys need more help basically on downloading the miner, or if you need help setting up the miner, I'll help you guys out, making sure that you guys are running up and are perfect and, are able to mine. But if you have any other issues, just let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to help you guys out. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if anything, please leave a like, and please use my referral link.